Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Learn with Us. I am Cbse. So today we are going to see class 7th Cbse chemistry lesson name. Lesson name is metals and non-metals. Let us get inside to our lesson. We know that all around we have 115 different elements are there. About 91 of 118 elements in the periodic table are metals. These elements can be found either in a free state of homogeneous or in combined state of heterogeneous in the earth crust, termed as metals and non-metals. So let's get inside to our lesson. Do you know what are the metals? Metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity. So like copper, aluminium, carbon. While non-metals such as phosphorus, sulfur, phosphorus, all the things are the insulated materials. Let me see about non-metals. Non-metal or non-metal. Non-metal is a chemical element that does not have metals properties. So non-metal does not have any metal properties like gold, silver. So some gases including hydrogen, helium, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, neon, carbon, radon and many more, etc. So the first thing was non-metals does not have any metal properties like gold, silver, diamond, platinum, etc. So the substances which are soft, are dull, or non-lustrous, or non-sonorous, non-genital, non-metallable, and poor conductor of heat and electricity is called as non-metals. For example, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. Let me see about metals. So metals will be in the periodic table like iron, lead, gold, aluminium, platinum, uranium, zinc, sodium, tin, silver, magnesium, etc. All the 118 elements are called as metals. So including some of the non-metals in periodic tables are hydrogen, helium, carbon, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, radon, neon, other gases. Think, is a diamond is metal? Let me clear your doubts. Non-metals are generally not so hot in nature, but diamond is a case of non-metals. Yes, diamond is a case of non-metals. It is hardest in non-metal. It is generally allotropes of the carbon non-metal. So it was made up of carbon and it was the hardest in non-metal. We know that non-metals are being so soft. Yes, but this diamond is being very hardest, but the diamond is called as non-metal. Is the gold is non-metal? Let me see your answer. Good. Gold is symbol of Au. It was a chemical element and it was an yellow precious metal. Yes, it was an yellow precious metal. Here itself we got the answer as metal. Wait a minute. Yeah, here itself we got the answer as metal. So group. Okay. So in periodic table it has a group level IB. So IB is the group level. So it was in periodic 6 of the periodic table. It was in number 6, not in number 6. You will learn in the higher classes. It was in group level and it has a periodic 6. So it was the history of the gold is then it was not equal. It was not equal by any other metal because it was previewed value from the earliest time. Yes, this gold has been found from earliest time, not at the modern time. Yes. Is the chlorine is a metal? Let me see. Chlorine is a second halogen. being a non-metal in group 17 of periodic table. So chlorine is a group 17, so it was a non-metal. If coal is metal or non-metal, let me see the answer. Coal is non-metal because it has made from carbon. Coal is the substance formed by decay of plants, animals. Therefore, coal is not considered as mineral. Let me see silicon is a metal or not. So, silicon is a non-metallic chemical element. Okay. Here itself we got that it was a non-metal. Carbon family. It has a carbon family. Group was 14, and in the periodic table, silicon makes the 27.7% of the earth crust. Okay. Silicon only makes the 27% of the earth crust. Yes, it only making it. So that's the reason it was a non-metallic chemical element. Let me see if glass is a metal or non-metal. Glass is an amorphous solid. So it was consisting of many atoms. It was arranged in the random pattern. So in metals they are arranged in orderly. So the glassy structures or metals of the alloy composed of 3 more metals such as magnesium, copper and lithium. So this okay. So thus the glasses are the structure of metal alloy. It was in metals. Then we will see of some physical properties of metals and the non-metals. So let me see the first metals, properties of metals. So we know that metals are the lustrous and good conductor with high melting point. Non-metals are dull, poor conductor, non-ductile, high density. Metals have high density. Non-metals have brittle. Metals have malleable solid at room temperature as a thin sheet. In non-metals may be solid, liquid or gas in the room temperature. So then it was a sorceress and it is not sorceress. So some of the examples. So metals, it does look like metal. Iron is a metal. Gold also metal. Silver also 2 metals. These, not only these 3, there are many metals in this world. These are the non-metals of some examples: carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. Red phosphorus is known as red phosphorus. So these 3 are also known as non-metals. If any doubt clarification, join in the Zoom link on Saturday and attend a free class in Learn with Us. Thank you all. Bye.